Hello and welcome to my channel. So, from this video, we will start with a programming journey and we will learn programming from scratch. So, first let's see that what is programming. So basically, programming is a way for tellers to tell the computer what to do. Like, as you all know that a computer cannot understand the language which we speak. Like we speak in Hindi, English, Marathi, so it cannot understand the language. So programming was introduced to instruct the computer to do tasks. And the most important use of a computer is computing. So if we get an easy calculation, suppose if we get 58 plus 3, so anyone would solve it and the answer would be 61. But if we get a large calculation like this, so we will need a computer to solve it, or if we will solve it manually, it will take us much time to solve the problem. So a computer understands binary language. So a binary language is basically is 0 and 1. You all must have heard of binary language. So when we write code in programming, when we run our code, it is converted to binary language, 0 1 language, so that the computer can understand it. So in we will start with our journey by learning our first programming language, which will be Python. So I want to give you all some brief description about Python. So Python is basically a general purpose and interpreted programming language. That means it is used by an interpreter to run the language, and it was designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is a very easy to learn programming language, and most people start their programming journey by learning Python as their first language because its syntax is very easy. It's very easy, like the syntax of Python is like simple English. That is why people find it very easy to learn Python and beginners can learn it easily. And Python is very powerful. We can do many tasks with Python like game development, app development, web development, machine learning, and also AI and automation. So, in the next video, we will start with learning Python and I will teach you all Python from scratch. So thanks for watching this video.